what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another synthetic wig review. This video is brought to you by OUTRE, so I want to say a huge thank you to them for sending me this unit over to review for you guys. Yet again, OUTRE has come out with another Neesha unit, a part of the Soft and Natural collection. So if you guys want to hear all my thoughts and opinions, I will let you know whether this unit is worth your coin or not. Let's go ahead and jump right on into today's video. Like I mentioned, the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is Neesha 206. I want to do a quick poll in the comments below, so leave me a red heart if y'all are still here for all of these new Neeshas that OUTRE keeps releasing, or leave me a black heart if you're like, we good, sis. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into what the packaging looks like, the cap construction, all that, and then we'll get into the styling portion of this video. If you guys like videos like this and you want to see more, make sure you hit that red button down below. Turn on the bell notification so you never miss an upload from me. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Here is Neesha 206. This is what the packaging looks like. Looks just like all the other Neeshas that they have come out with in this Soft and Natural line. So let's go ahead and take it out of the package and see what she looks like. Here is what the stock card looks like, so you guys can get a better look at what the style is. The color that I have is DRFF Honey Brown, and this is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It claims to have a pre-plucked HD transparent lace and of course natural texture and volume. Here's what Neesha is looking like straight out of the box. Already loving this color. I think that it is gorgeous. I love the face framing highlights, which is what that DRFF stands for. You get a dark root, face framing highlights, and then this really pretty like brown color. As far as the cap construction goes, it is a lace front unit like the other Neeshas. You do get two combs on the left and right hand side and a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. This wig is already set as a middle part, and here is what that parting space is looking like. And of course, the texture does feel natural. It looks like a blown out texture. It looks identical to all the other Neeshas that we've seen. The lace looks to be a light brown. We'll see how transparent it reads once I put it on my skin. I don't see any baby hairs, which I'm not mad at because y'all know, if you are not new to my channel, I don't really do baby hairs like that, so I ain't mad at not having no baby hairs. But just keep that in mind. If you like baby hairs, you might have to create your own. Right off the bat, the cap feels like an average, almost like a medium to large maybe, which I am totally here for because y'all know your girl has a big head. It's fitting me really well. It doesn't feel super snug. It feels comfortable, like I have a little bit of room. It's not coming down ear to ear on me, but the way that it feels on my head feels very comfortable, which I'm really here for. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, style this unit, and then we'll be back to talk about it because we're going to go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit so I can give you guys my final thoughts and opinions because I feel like I can't hold it in. The first con that I have is this wig does shed. Now, I did go ahead and tweeze quite a bit out of the parting space just to make the parting space look more natural. You do get that pre-plucked effect right here along the center part of the hairline. But as far as the like starting point where the part starts, I just don't understand how like companies can say that it's a pre-plucked unit, but the parting space looks really like, open it up a little bit. If it's pre-plucked, it's pre-plucked. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget the part. Do not neglect the part. So yeah, and I did receive a little bit of shedding, so I'm not sure if it was just because of that. I also did cut pretty close to the hairline because leading into my next con that I have, I don't feel like this lace is transparent, and I'm not 100% sure if this is the first Neesha with the transparent HD lace claim. I could be mistaken because I did not try 204 or 205, and I can't remember because those reviews came out like a little while ago, but I'm pretty sure this is a first one with HD transparent lace, and I'm I'ma just say it ain't. The more that I have learned about HD lace, and this is more so when it comes to human hair wigs, the lace is extremely thin, and I feel like this is thin, but it's not super thin. You know what I'm saying? To where if you put it on your head, it would be undetectable. This ain't it, okay? And it is a light brown. And even on my skin tone, like it looks like it blends into my hand, but my face has gotten a lot of sun recently and it ain't blending, sis, okay? So I did go in with my bronzer because I feel like that has really helped me. Instead of using my face powder to blend along my hairline, using bronzer does help it make it look a little bit more natural. That's it for the cons. There's only two, not that bad. Let's go ahead and jump right on into the pros about this unit because I have a laundry list, okay? First one being this style, y'all. This style is really doing something for me. I didn't even go in with any heat tool because I'm kind of loving this volume. So I didn't flatten it out because I really like that it's like automatically giving me those like two little humps right around the parting space. Y'all know what I'm talking about? I love that. And I do think that this wig could read very momish or conservative if you wanted to, okay? But if you want to pull it out for a date night and be a little sexy, cute little bob, do it. I love this length. It's sitting right at my shoulders. So it's about 12, 14 inches on me, probably about 12 inches. So if you guys are shorter than me, it's going to look longer on you. I just love that like effortless, girl, I look good, okay? Even with my bra strap showing, it's Savage Fenty. It's okay. I look good. My camera shut off. I love this color blend that I have. Again, this is the DRFF Honey Brown, and I'm here for it. It is a lighter color than the Chocolate Truffle, which came in 204, 205, and then Outre's Julienne. But I still love this color. It's very natural, and it's kind of giving me like summer vibes because it looks like summer sun-kissed brown golden caramel type of vibes, and I really love it. Another pro that I have is that, in my opinion, this wig does not need any thinning out or manipulation in the density area. It's still full and it still has that natural, what? This one is just a natural, nice density. It still is full and it still is a little bit hot, especially because it's sitting right on the neck. But as far as needing to thin it out because it is poofy, no, sis, like it is really nice, and I'm really happy with that because I was a little bit worried that I was gonna have to manipulate it, you know, and I just don't want to do that. I've done that before. I did that with 201, and I just didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to thin out my wig. If I had to, I would, but I really appreciate when wigs look like they do on the stock card, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like this one does. Another thing that I love is even though I went in with my paddle brush and brushed out this wig, the style comes right back. And I mean, like, if I really wanted to like feather it, you can, and you can really give body with this wig. Like, have I emphasized that enough? This wig is going to give you body and it's still going to serve style. So far, I feel like this is my favorite Neesha. I haven't tried all of them, I know, so I feel like I can't really speak on that, but out of the ones that I've tried and that I've seen, this is my favorite. I love this length. It's a natural everyday length. The style is giving. I'm here for it. And I feel like it needed little to no manipulation straight out of the box. And that's what I'm here for. I love wigs that you can take out of the box, tweak a little bit to your liking, and then go. I don't want to be sitting here for no hour on a synthetic wig making it work. You know what I'm saying? That's really all I have to mention about this wig. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. Turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload from me, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or if you were here for the style. Don't forget to participate in the poll. I want to know if you guys are sick of the Neeshas or if you're here for them and you want Outre to keep producing more. Let me know. Leave me a red heart if you are here for it and a black heart if you are not. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!